Did you know it's actually normal for some adults to be missing teeth from birth? This is referred to as congenitally missing teeth, and there's usually a genetic link as to why this occurs in certain people. And by the way, this can totally go the other way around with people who have hyperdontia, which is when you're born with extra teeth. Much more rare, but really cool. The most commonly missing teeth are actually the wisdom teeth. It's a little bit more rare, but some people are missing the tooth right next to their front tooth or some premolars. And while this can be normal, it can definitely affect your confidence and can be so expensive to fix permanently. But a very affordable solution that requires no in-office visits is ResetSmile. This is a service that creates partial dentures at half the cost of what you'd pay at a dentist's office. They are dentist-prescribed, custom-fabricated partial dentures that are 3D printed using Valplast, which is the same high-quality material that has been used by dentists and dental labs for more than 70 years. And these come out a perfect match to your teeth without even leaving your house. This is 100% safe. A licensed dentist reviews and approves your case and your ResetSmile device, and if the fit isn't perfect, they will always adjust for you hassle-free until the fit is perfect. These devices are so simple to order, and there's no reason why anybody should pay an arm and a leg to get their confidence back.